ESGK Company Limited's explosion-proof electrostatic transmitter is a fixed product used in industrial sites such as hopper, vessel, silo, and reactors. It is a product that can manage trends by measuring static electricity in real time in each factory control room. The reason why static electricity should be measured and managed is because it is possible to establish a static electricity removal method according to the measurement data, and it is difficult to efficiently remove static electricity by applying a general static electricity removal method, because it is not known how much static electricity is generated in the current process. It has certification of explosion-proof and dust explosion-proof and can be customized according to standard of process and facility. It can be installed in all industrial sites and explosion-proof sites, and its measurement range is -20,000 volts to +20,000 volts.